Hello everyone and welcome. Today we delve into the wonderful world of microgreens, these small but powerful plants that can revolutionize our kitchen and our health. In this episode we show you how to easily grow microgreens at home. Microgreens, the young powerhouses of the vegetable world, are harvested as soon as they develop their first true leaves. They not only enrich our diet with their delicious taste, but are also a true nutritional miracle. They often even contain a higher concentration of valuable ingredients than their full-grown counterparts. A real treasure for our diet. It's really amazing how easy it can be to get started in the world of microgreens. With a few simple steps, anyone can grow these nutrient-rich plants at home, enriching both their kitchen and their well-being. To explore the world of microgreens, start with a selection of seeds such as radishes, broccoli, or cress, which should be untreated and germinable. A shallow container is required for cultivation. Almost any type is suitable. Soil, coconut fiber, or even kitchen paper are suitable as growing medium. Water quality is also important. It is best to use filtered or boiled water to nourish the small plants. Starting your own microgreen cultivation can be so easy. Now that everything is ready, the sowing can begin. The selected medium is filled into the container, the seeds are distributed evenly on top and then covered with a lid or foil. Placed in a warm place, the wait for the little miracle of growth now begins. Germination begins after a few days. When the sprouts have grown about an inch, the cover can be removed and the young plants placed in the light. Regular watering and ventilation not only promotes growth but also prevents mold formation. Depending on the type of microgreens, they can be harvested after just 1 to 4 weeks, an exciting moment that marks the beginning of a rich harvest. Microgreens are carefully harvested directly above the medium, carefully rinsed, and can be enjoyed fresh or stored in the refrigerator. It's fascinating how easy it is to grow these nutritious plants at home. Today's episode ends with these tips. May the enthusiasm for growing microgreens grow as much as the plants themselves. If you liked the video, we would be happy if you subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Sharing with friends and acquaintances is welcome, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment. Until next time, may you all have a long, healthy, and happy life.